Hello everyone, welcome to the Azimuth Adventure. Feel free to join me and my brothers making our way in this crazy world with our faith, our family, and our passions. We're traveling border to border, coast to coast, living and learning as much as we can. I'm Aiden.
I'm Alexander. I'm Asher. And check out what we're up to. Who knows, maybe you'll find something in here that excites you and you can chart a path for yourself to do it next.
We searched and searched for weeks until we finally found the right boat, a 2000 Hunter 260 sailboat.
Mom had to work, and we didn't want to miss out on the possible deal, so just us boys drove down to Key West to check it out.
If you believe in love, how will I feel it? If you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready, how do I reach you? I'm thinking about us, you're thinking about it too.
We looked it over stern to bow and put it in the water before finally deciding to take on the restoration project.
Higher and higher, I'm gonna raise the flag. Fire, oh fire, send out a flare to find. Give me a reason, I'm gonna send a sign. Calling you over, calling you to my life.
On the way home, we stopped off in Tampa at Dawn Salvage and found a replacement mast to kickstart the repairs.
We started on the hull and moved on to the trailer. We did all the fiberglass repairs, sanding, and painting, and made sure she wasn't going to take on any water. We replaced the bunks and hardware, and made sure the trailer wasn't going to damage the boat anymore.
We can run the world.
I see the light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies.
Transferring all the rigging and measuring and fitting everything perfectly onto the replacement mast was tough. But we knew every inch of our rigging when we finally got it done.
Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke, our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart.
We went back and stayed at Don's Salvage for a month while we straightened, reinforced, and repaired the lifelines, stanchions, halyards, sheets, struts, jib pole, roller furling, crutch, and anchor. We even raised the boat and dropped the keel so we could replace the control line.
If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, 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 celestial bodies. Oh, oh. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
We would like to give a special shout out and thank you to Billy and his crew at Dawn Surplus and Salvage Yard in Clearwater, Florida. We could not have done it without you. Her maiden voyage was in St. Petersburg Municipal Marina in Florida.
We sailed her there, Port Charlotte, and took her to the Florida Keys, Bay of Honda, and enjoyed her a few times. Some of the best times we've ever had.
So hold me tight through the night.
We got dolphins
It's
swimming with us.
just us two,
Dolphins are playful.
me and you. Oh, oh, I stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
We named her Azimuth. You can check out everything we did and everywhere we went by clicking the links in the description below. Don't forget to smash that like button.
Dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather.
Be sure to check us out on Patreon, Instagram, and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell.